How to multiply fractions. This is a fraction, this is a fraction, so we have to multiply. To multiply two fractions together, we have to multiply top to top and bottom to bottom. Look, so 4 times 2, then 5 times 3. So we are getting here 8 divided by 5 times 3, that is 15. So this is the answer, right? So let us consider these two fractions. This is negative sign, right? So you can consider this negative sign here or here. That is, you can consider with numerator or denominator. But here I will consider this negative sign with numerator. So to multiply, we have to multiply top to top, that is numerator to numerator, then denominator to denominator. So we are getting here minus 3 divided by 10. So this is the answer, right? Okay, let us consider this. How to multiply fraction with whole number. This is a whole number. We can rewrite this whole number as 2 over 1, right? The value of 2 over 1 and 2 is similar. So 1 by 3 times 2 over 1. Now we have to multiply top to top and bottom to bottom. So we are getting here 2 over 3. Consider these two fractions. How to multiply fraction with same denominator? Same denominator, right? So top to top, we have only one rule. We have to multiply top to top and bottom to bottom, or denominator to denominator. So we are getting here 10 over 5 times 5, that is 25. The common factor of 10 and 25 is 5. So if you divide this 10 over 5 by 5, you are getting 2. And if you divide 25 by 5, you are getting 5. So 2 over 5 is the reduced form of this fraction. So this is the answer. Now, how to multiply fraction with different denominator? So here denominator is 5, here 4, so different. So we have only one rule. We have to multiply top to top and bottom to bottom. So we are getting here 9 over 4, 5 times 4, 20. So 9 over 20 is the answer. So how to multiply 3 fractions or 4 fractions or 5 fractions? Just we need to multiply top to top, 1, 2, 3, and bottom to bottom. So we are getting here, look, 1 times 2, 2, 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 3, 6, 6 times 4, 6 times 4 equal to what? Look, 6 times 1 equal to 6, 6 times 2 equal to 12, because just you have to add 6 with this 6. Then 6 times 3 equal to 18, right? Just you have to add 6 with this 12, then you are getting 18. And 6 times 4 will just you have to add 6 with this 18, that is 24, right? So 24. But the common factor of 6 and 24 is 2. So if you divide 6 by 2, you are getting 3, and if you divide 24 by 2, you are getting 12. The common factor of 3 and 12 is 3. So if you divide this 3 by 3, you are getting 1, and if you divide this 12 by 3, you are getting 4. So 1 by 4 is the answer. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.